Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by connecting the iPhone to your Mac with a reliable cable and unlocking the device. This authorizes the restore. Once connected, open Finder and select your iPhone from the sidebar because Finder manages backups on modern Mac OS. Make sure the Mac is on a stable power source and Wi-Fi is active. This prevents interruptions. Then click Restore Backup and choose the backup file. You're initiating the transfer of settings, apps data, and media from that snapshot into your device. Once the Restore Backup dialog appears, select the backup you want by date and device name so you don't overwrite newer data. If the backup is encrypted, enter the password when prompted. That's required because encrypted backups include health data and saved passwords. Make sure to keep the iPhone unlocked and the Finder window open. Otherwise, the process can pause. You'll see a progress bar and status messages. Allow them to complete without disconnecting to ensure all data transfers properly. When Finder reports the restore finished, do not disconnect immediately. The iPhone still completes on device setup and may download apps in the background. You'll need to sign into your Apple ID and reauthorize iMessage, FaceTime, and other services where required. This restores synced content. If the restore stalls or fails, first verify the cable and USB port, then restart both devices and attempt the restore again. If problems persist, try a different Mac user account or test a different backup to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.